Well, hello guys. It has been a while, but I am back with an unboxing video. This is an Erratic Squirrel Kendama, and it is the Gremlin shape. His newest shape that he released. And the difference between this shape and the Goblin shape is that this shape is 5% smaller, both the Tama and the Ken. It is a brown kitchen Tama with a maple Ken. Tama is beach. It's a very nice brown too. A nice dark brown. The black string. The Ken bullet tip spike, base cup hole, all the usuals. And it is pretty much weight match. I don't know what number is what, but it is 72 and 73 grams each. So very nice weights. Yeah, I'm excited to play this because it is definitely noticeably smaller than all my other Kendamas. Here is the normal Goblin shape for reference. As you can see, you can definitely tell the difference between its sides. Especially when I was holding the Tama, the Gremlin Tama, it's definitely smaller. It feels like a mini Tama, but it's definitely playable on all types of tricks. Yeah, so I'm really excited for this. The grain on the Ken is also really nice too. Let's look at that darker brown that's around the logo. Really sick. So yeah, excited for this. Actually, let's do a lunar test. Ooh, really good. I'm sure stalls are just as good. Yep. Yeah, so thanks again, Miguel. Alright, so I know that this is a different day from when I filmed the Gremlin unboxing, but I thought I'd throw this Tama in here as well as part of the unboxing. This is the 12-year kitchen Tama that Miguel just released. Really beautiful. Purple and natty half split with that natty engraved stripe, kitchen stripe. This is anti-skid paint as usual. Beach Tama with that crushable bevel. Yeah, super excited for this one. Just feels really good in the hand with the engraving. I think my only other engraved Tama, kitchen Tama, is the natty one that haven't even played yet, so I will have to throw this on a Ken that I can find. Yeah, but thank you, Miguel, and hope you guys enjoy the unboxing. Peace.